This is gonna blow your mind. T-Mobile just defended against a sophisticated cyber attack. T-Mobile, one of the top US telecom providers, detected and stopped intrusions from a wireline provider's network. While no sensitive data was accessed, this incident highlights the constant cyber threats businesses face. Jeff Simon, T-Mobile's chief security officer, said their layered defenses, robust monitoring and quick response were key to preventing the attack. So, what can your business learn from this? Impress IT Solutions in Houston recommends these cybersecurity measures. 1. Network segmentation and firewalls to block unauthorized access. 2. 24/7 network monitoring and advanced threat detection tools. 3. Secure connections with external providers and regular risk assessments. 4. Tailored response plans and simulation exercises to prep your team. Don't wait for a cyber incident to expose your vulnerabilities. Partner with Impress IT Solutions to safeguard your business. Contact us today and stay ahead of the threats.